Have you ever wanted a sleek, professional looking round logo but didn't know where to start? Today, I'm going to show you how to create one quickly and easily using Canva, even if you've never designed anything before. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type round logo or simply logo. You'll see tons of ready-made templates that you can customize instantly. If you prefer starting from scratch, select a blank canvas and head over to the Elements tab. There, you can add a perfect circular shape as the base of your logo. Once your circle is in place, it's time to get creative. Add your brand name or initials and pick fonts and colors that represent your style. Want your text to follow the curve of your circle? Canva has you covered. Select your text, click on Effects, and choose the curve option. Adjust it until it fits perfectly along your circle. You can also add icons, illustrations, or any other elements to make your logo unique. Don't forget to experiment with color combinations and font styles until everything looks balanced and eye-catching. When you're happy with your design, simply click Download. Choose PNG for the best quality and your round logo is ready to use everywhere, from social media profiles to business cards. Creating a professional round logo in Canva is really that simple. With a few clicks and some creativity, you can have a logo that stands out and represents your brand perfectly.